Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
NCB Capital Markets Limited, in its push to boost economic recovery, said it has over the last 2 weeks arranged over $6 billion in financing aimed at supporting an expansion of the local energy sector. The regional brokerage house, which said it was bullish about driving growth in the energy sector despite continued economic challenges, recently structured bonds for Wigton Wind Farm Limited and Future Energy Source Company Limited, FESCO, raising $5.8 billion and $1 billion in capital, respectively. The future of work and the digital readiness of Caribbean businesses is to take center stage at this year's staging of TTEC's Tech Conference, scheduled to run from April 12 to 13. The event will feature key ministers of government and other local and international technology experts who will meet up to discuss the role of digital readiness in charting the region's economic future. Other topics to be addressed are data protection and privacy, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and digital currencies.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.